Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is good old Wednesday, hump day. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe from the storms that are coming. We got a little one coming this weekend, but right now it's just like freezing cold out. And now we have an Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Yeah, buddy. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost. And let's see what it is they sent us. Definitely glad Amazon is back in town. Now we got a new year of goodies coming through, so stay tuned. We'll be doing some giveaways this year. I'm getting better now from my surgery, so we'll be getting back into the swing of things very shortly here. It's been a rough few weeks for me, but I'm feeling better, getting better. And now we have here GEREE, GEREE. Ooh, these are the kind of like those rings, smart doorbells. Oh yeah, let's cut it open. We got the sleeves, but let's cut. Since we got the scissors on hand. And like I said, the link is going to be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get one of these out to you in no time. Alright, here's the good features on the back. We got battery powered 720 HT, 166 degrees, wide angle, 2.4 gigahertz, Wi-Fi connection. I wish it was a 5G. That's what I'm pretty much, my house is upgraded to almost now. Day and night, so night vision. We got cloud service, local storage, two-way audio, so that's good. These are really sweet to have. Motion alert, multi-tab user, mobile app, smart home, so Alexa and I guess Google. Oh.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
I know you're not sure because I didn't ask a question. Oh well, smart video doorbell. Alright. It's cool stuff right here. Gotta love technology. Oh man. Technology is cool. So here's the charms. This is where you're gonna need to set your doorbell rings and stuff like that, the volume. So you can just put it anywhere in your house where you're, so you can hear it type deal. Oh, this is nice. Got the blue. Oh yeah. Why is my phone unstable? That's the word. I feel unstable today. Alright, here we go. Oh. Got the screwdriver. And it's the first time it's doing that. Maybe got to upgrade it. I had 9 plus, so I'm not sure why it's doing that. Okay, we got the screws. We got the screws right there. Allen wrench. Yeah, we got the mounts. It's getting dark outside. Hopefully, I can use my other, whatchamacallit, this part. You gotta take this off. Yeah, I gotta unscrew these. Okay. This is like the mounting bracket, so you just put it on the wall like this, and then you go, and then it goes like that. So really simple to install. So hopefully I can use the other one that I have from my other video doorbell. Alright, what do we do here? Please remove before use. Okay. But it is definitely a good thing to have, are these. It sucks to say that because of how people are, but so, well, it's pretty cool. Especially now with the how people are. Sucks that we had to do this, but protect your home. It's well worth it to have one of these things. I mean, it has nice video clarity, audio. Oh, we got a charging, backup charge, because these batteries are chargeable too. So we'll get into that in a second. Where's the manual? What the heck? Okay, here we go. Smart Wi-Fi video doorbell. Oh yes, we got it. Okay, we got all the good stuff. USB cable. I didn't see one here. I don't think I need it then, but they didn't send it. No. Where is the door? Where's the cable? Oh boy. I don't think we need it. But we have all those cables from the phones. Batteries optional. All right, here we go. PIR motion sensor is number 1. It's this thingy right here. Number 2 is going to be infrared LED. It has 6 of them. Number 2, that's this whole thing right here. So you can see right there, 3 and 3 or so. The light sensor is number 3, so there. Number 4 is this camera right here. 166 degrees HD camera. Number 5 is a microphone. I'm looking at this little guy right down there. And 6 is the indicator, which is flashing because it wants to be red. And you can always hot wire it. Hardwire you could do. Not us. We're going to do the rechargeable batteries. Please note the batteries and the battery electrolytes. Insert the 2 batteries with positive ends. Okay, sorry about that. I think I'm coming down with the flu. I got some kind of flu bug coming again this weather. But it's really easy. So grab your backup phone if you have one. And definitely I had to get one of these. Got to my 8 Plus, I think. Yeah, this is 8 Plus. Alright, they got iOS or Android, so we got the Android. We're going to get my, whatchamacallit, barcode scanner, QR scanner. Handy dandy. Oh, here we go. No, not the iOS. Wrong one. I hate ads. There we go. This is going to pop up Google Store apps. And that's what we want. See, it's going to come to C to Coding Technologies. So you just want to hit the install button right there. And hopefully it's going to be a fast one and my Wi-Fi is good. Yep, there I am. I got my own Wi-Fi network. Let me open, let's see what goodies they have to offer us. From the start, video doorbell, cloud service, all that good stuff. Smart surveillance. Alright. Family members, so sports TV, dual 4K. Ooh. Okay, let's start. So you can write down there, we'll hit the start button. Allow, hold on. I don't want to show you guys any passwords. Just in case. Okay, stop optimizing battery usage. Okay, allow. Nope. Whether the permission is able. Okay. So a lot of yeses you got to answer, stuff like that. Click here to add your device. Alright. Add device, scan QR. Where is my QR? So they might have a separate one for the QR. And I don't think it's on the machine. Nope. No QRs here. No QR there. There. So it's either on the box or once you click device, make sure your smartphone network. Yeah, just make sure your network's on 2.4 gigahertz. The device does not support 5G. Search to see. Okay. Okay. Yep. So I guess it's all in one. All right. Red light is flashing. Allow. Okay, let me pause. Alright, all you gotta do is scroll down once you see like the 2C on the Wi-Fi. All you gotta do is pop it in, hit next. And then it's gonna ask you to choose your Wi-Fi settings, what you use. So I'm gonna do mine. Then enter your password. See, that's why I didn't want to show you guys part. So it's all good. There's no ads on this video, so sit back, grab some popcorn, and relax a little. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Come on now. Input. I'll set up the admin password. Oops. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, so you could edit the device name, example front door. That's what it's gonna be called. Oh, sweet! Look at that. Bada boom, bada bing. It's making some funky. I gotta plug my this thing in. Front door. Front door. Confirm. Ooh, Shaka Zulu. We got that running. Let me plug in my doorbell. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it. Got the going. Oh, it needs a battery charge. So that's cool. It tells the battery length, so I gotta juice it up. And back here, you can use your USB cable, hook it up to your hub. This is really cool. So you can speak. Oh. Allow. Hello. Hello. Oh. You can have it on full screen, like that. You can Snapchat it. You can also share this with your neighbor. Say if you're not home, or your friend, or your roommate. So you just gotta enter the password, and they can call the cops in case something happens, which hopefully never does. Oh, turn the volume off. So this is really cool. Really good price too. All you gotta do is click on a link and find out what it is, and you guys can get this in no time. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Something to have for your home security, your office, your store, pretty much anywhere. Your shed, your garage. You have a couple of these lined up in your house, it would be perfect. And so definitely you can change the scene. Infrared, night vision, you could do that. I'm gonna have to mess around with that a little bit later. Set the night vision. Then I think there's a recording. Time is too short. Okay, so I'm gonna have to mess around with a little bit. But like I said, easy to set up. Nice quality, to be honest. Really nice. And what else? What other goodies they got to offer? Message file to see. See, pretty much, I don't think there's a monthly membership to this for cloud services, but make sure you have a memory card too. So, not exactly sure where they go, but this is definitely awesome. Awesome stuff right here. GEREE. Shout out to you guys. And right there, that's where you charge it. You just gotta use your USB, and bada boom, bada bing, it's fully charged. Awesome device. Like I said, really clear. Get low on the camera. Awesome stars. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Sorry for the long video, but this is really cool to show you guys new technology coming out. So definitely pick them up. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. Be safe, YouTubers, and hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. Thank you, GEREE. GEREE. On Amazon. This is really cool. Definitely going to be coming handy. Alright, be safe. So I want to show you guys this. This is what the app looks like, 2C. And then I got this USB. I think it's a normal version that we have on our cell phones. You might get one that comes with it. You might not. So I'm not 100% sure how that works, but I did not get one. But this is a backup one. And it's charging really good. So there's a little blue lights activated. And all you got to do, because it shows that there is motion. And then, there we go. And right up there to show it's charging. So I think it's pretty good charge right now. About an hour I've been on it, so awesome stuff though. Clear. And you can flip. Oh, there's my bald head. And then, like I said, close that, and then a little ring it. See, when someone comes up to your door, you press the ring, and it'll show up on your door. I gotta change the setting of the sound. That will show up, and then you can talk to them and all that good stuff. So UPS drivers, FedEx, your neighbors, friends, and if you want to share, all you gotta do is that click on that one, put your um, device password in. It's gonna come over the QR code. I gotta shut that off. It's gonna come with the QR code to scan for your other phone that what you want to use for like a family member or like I said a neighbor, so that they could see what's going on in your house if you go on a vacation for a long time. But it should reach where you're at too, so you can always record it. But in case your neighbors want to help you out, call the cops and stuff like that, catch the bad guys, and make sure those door lickers that have been coming around. I haven't had any yet around here in Michigan. I think that's in Denver. I just saw it on the news where that doorbell licker was licking doorbells. So, interesting stuff out there, YouTubers. You never know what you're going to catch on a camera. And we got the Super Blood Moon, whatever that's coming up. So, pretty cool stuff, though. So, check them out. GEREE on Amazon Prime. Get this in no time. Be safe, and see you guys soon.